Go back to, I will post answers. Oh, a rapist will go and do that rubbish. Emo yo biri to wa not out to pade nínú orí protest. And they are right. Anyway, they are fake accounts, no. What he would drink here, what he would do come here me. And tí ó rí koko lórí social media, ó ti rí káàkiri ẹ ti oríṣiríṣi. Ẹ bá wò pé ẹ ṣá Ọlọ́run máa fún yín ṣe o. But we can do better. Ẹ̀wọ̀n mo lọ́mọ tí ó post mi rí. Ìrọ̀rùn ló post àwọn tó ń post ni. Later tá bá padà gbá rí gbọ́ story ṣá padà di àti ní mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti mọ bàbá wọn. Ibi kan ní pé I didn't mention Iyabo. And I never even thought in my life that I would mention mo lè fún ní náà jọ kí n fi lẹ́bẹ̀ pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ọmọ ìyá mi ò ti báyìí lọ gbé mi síta yóò gbé ẹ̀ wọ́n ti sí yanjú ẹ̀. Iyabo is a beautiful kò bá ayé lè jà lọ́la. It's a beautiful soul. It's not one of those kind of actress mi ni mi tiẹ̀ mama jáde tán bí ìwèrè tẹ́lẹ̀ kò wà nílẹ̀ gan. Orí àjọ máa lo social media máa fúnra ló mi ìdẹ nílò account mi ní account kan lé ayé mi èmi nìkan ni àti mopo ọlọ́bìnrin lọ́wọ́ tó yàn ní àbáwọ̀ ní kò ọ̀rọ̀ kí mo ti mọ̀ pé àwọn wèrè báyìí wà lẹ́sọ̀ èmi gan mo ti ready lórí pé kí n do down to balance story or we can't be patient. They cannot be on social media and threaten me. I want a better, useful orientation on social media. At the end of the day, nothing. I want my party. And you call it Daja left Rawani. And whether we fight or we no fight, no be fear or be on the bed. But you have better be that. Imagine the most the phone like those who get down. But ó better bí èmi ò ń ṣe àbòsí. Eléyìí lè fàjà wá. But ó better bí èmi ò ń ṣe àbòsí. Eléyìí lè fàjà wá. But lọ́kàn ààrẹ ó mọ̀ pé òun better. She na better person. Bóyá Ọlọ́run kan ní gbogbo ilé ṣe máa lọ lásìkò yìí nìyẹn. Tí Iyabo bàbá mi jà tẹ́lá fídíò máa post mi tó kẹ́ máa kí wá gbogbo so I understand so therefore wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ yín gbogbo ìtẹ́lọ́ ń tẹ̀lé yẹn it's an apologies. It's a rape killing of Bobo in until Louis. Ṣe bí lọ́kàn lóyìn fún ẹ wá lọ bu. Torí ìṣòro wà Nàìjíríà àrí lò. Ẹ fún yín jẹ. Ẹ̀rọ jùmọ̀ tọ́kí. I am not going to apologize on the shit. I've not any less share me, but me need apology. You are not on the right path. I mean, for me, I don't belong and don't need lawyer. I'm going to be here with me for apologize for what? Màá wá social media dẹ́rù bà mí. Èmi ìgbé olégun oníjà àti ro. Ó dà pé ṣe mọ́ mi dédé ní ṣe mọ́ mi ni. Kò ṣubú rí débi kó máa dọ̀. I don't stand with lies. Màá bímọ On me ma ṣe báyìí lórí social media. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí o mọ̀ o tí mese. A ma lọ ma time ma bu èyàn kan. Njo tí bá ti bá ka ma lu pa. I didn't raise you to be that. I want to raise a child that will balance story. I want to raise a child that online, offline is going to have a good conduct. How will time will because it's a fake account, I'm using account. And to go the page, Yomi page. That's a lot of things. Show me kiri. Say mo kwete ni o name ni kiri got. Mo ti jáde bí mo ti lọ Magodo. Mo ti dé padà, mo ti ṣe fàájì, mo ti lọ ṣe. Emi mi jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀. So ba je ko ro kiri yan. Ma tu ti meru le. Ma ti run yan. Go and see my movie showing on Africamedia, Sadat. Go and watch my movie. Big Yenko. Yeah, me. Don't always make it look like our kidney come along. No, koja ogbo ye mo poleru. But make I no lie. Mo like Iyabo Ojo she was calm látàárọ̀. Tọ́mọ ẹlòmíì bá dọ̀wọ̀ ìwé à ń lọ. Wọ́n kọ́ àlọ́ ìlú. Now we are the same. Where's it going? So, ẹgbẹ́ ṣọlẹ̀ o. Oh my girl, latest bride in the world, Biola Adebayo, Omomiloje Sadat. Nice time showing a movie. Emma for. I don't give any dog. Give me go doggy. I get anything. So Iyabo don't be a bad person. And call him house of Iyabo go finish. Emma, ba fi your simo ma won ti wa won die. Iyabo na correct person. So me, to the best of my knowledge, I won't say because you are fighting now. You are condemn good, but she might have got it wrong a little bit on this. What are you flashing me? You know they flash here. They about flash me, I flash her. We about Jadi, Yomi, I will show you. I'm going to Itoko. If I am another person, so go away. What was it? I suppose she be with it. I'm a sorry molara, but make no lie. So am I jubilating? Yeah, I'm naturally a good person. Me on shabusi, me dem paro. But on this one, of me body eating. Mo flash e padà lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀. Ko mi gbọ́dọ̀ yo tutu. O level te gbé mi lọ yẹn. Asáré fún mi polish. So mo e wa se rí direct by ọpọlọ apa yi ma jábọ́ pé àmọ́ ga o de lọ bu bribe. I think I entertain him for 24 hours. But Nigerian youth, social media is not an opportunity to be lazing around and be acting irrational. We will still have to address that later on. You understand? Because at the end of the day, we want the better and sound youth on social media and offline. We want youth that will not rush into judgment, because one of those means that peace can be achieved is when we respect the rights of the next person. Is because their rights are being protected. But in our country, under the law, suspect is still innocent, is assumed innocent until proven guilty. That in a sinner crime should not be translated to support him. And of course, whether we like it or not, anybody can be a suspect. The crime or the status. Last person, driver, tenant, mechanic. If you're suspected, you should be treated with dignity. And of course, you should be accorded fair hearing and fair trial. And I will play the role of God or judge or wrong. That is why they created even appeal courts. To know even judge can make mistake and error in judgment. And that is what I am saying. And if the social media world of today are not understanding, we got a lot of work to do. So, maintain remember to sleep and remember that I love all of you. Lolo dear any comment. Gbogbo mi tó bú mi tẹ́lẹ̀ tí wọ́n kọ́ gba tẹ́tí pọ̀ jù lọ fún ma block tẹ́lẹ̀ tí ma mo rí comment 2000. Mo ní yé àwọn tsunami lélẹ́yìí o. Tsunami mélòó mo fẹ́ block ọkọ̀ mi èbú lọ bóyá fi wọ́n lẹ̀ ẹ ló lẹ̀ ẹ gbádùn gbogbo page tẹ́fẹ́ gbádùn ọjọ́jọ́ kan ọjọ́ méjì. Oye naturally, I don't condone abusive comments on my page. You can say anything, you can comment, you can criticize me, but you must choose your words carefully, because no matter how small the interaction you have with anybody, your manners must never slip away. It could mean nothing to you, but it can earn you a lot of goodwill. So when people come to my page and me I'm a binu block in block here. So me go buy blogging page page mi comment section oríṣiríṣi ẹ lọ bẹ̀ kẹ́ lọ bú mi síbẹ̀ kò yẹ kẹ́ ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ mo kẹ́ máa page mi máa tójú ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ ní kàmẹ́sọ̀kà bàbá yóò lè fàyè gbà gbogbo yẹn o bàbá yóò fàyè gbà gbogbo yẹn o Iyabo, you are not allowed, you are my sister. Amaja, Ashenja. Oh yeah, come on. But I have said it, you don't deserve this level of stuff. I told you before. You know it yourself. So, but to ba binu koja bo se ko binu. O no baba koko lo ranti aye best àwọn be ni Korodu. We don't date together. I don't love for any look you shop. I was there, you brought me. I go in your car, Toyota Camry. Jango by everywhere. I just want it. So when you vex for me, about for anybody eating, if not when it's even for now, that's a flash here. But to be honest, Iyabo, you be a better person. When we say me, ne paro inu obi mi si e. For anybody eating, but for anybody eating. But I know the verse. I know people I will verse for. I go judge my feel with the battle with the ball. But I can't deny the fact that you're a good person. Not now. Because you know that's not me. But when social media, me and you now sweethearts. No, son. I know all of my jari no konga. Any problem me. So to our life threatening. I know Iyabo is one of those people that will say no. Your mile Yahweh only shame enjoy mashi shit me fun. Iyabo is the only person that she will call me Yomi. I will go there. I don't let you have those there. Now my paddy now better person. The badge for him. That's why I did not put her name before because from body eating. So Emma Ruben that's wa. I just flash around ni. Mo de gbadun gbogbo level yẹn. You know say I test you. I say make we fight for 1 week. I dey enjoy am. Because now you be better person. One of them anyway. We dey work go one leg. So Yomi, we treat ourselves like as Pashijowa. Oh, we are both fighting for the same thing. We are both standing by the truth. We are both standing by what is right. So, Iyabo, you be my sweetheart, you know, any day, any time. So, you know, me, Iyabo, I think I'm not going to that's anything at Iyabo. But Iyabo, you know me, I like you. And I know they do. Nǹkan tó ń gbé mi nínú for 3 years. Ó gbà láàrin 2-3 minutes. Na big honor, big respect. Me, I dey take bullet for you anywhere, anytime. Toba, if you think something or I do something, you think I'm off you, call me first. I feel no reason that way. Or I feel explain to you, say, level by low body, no assume. If you follow other people, they assume. When you know me well, na wrong thing. If another person, you know, say I dey fight some people long time, I don't go for. But ilé mo gbádùn ẹ̀, àwọn èèyàn quiet jẹ, na video post to get the wakiwa, every kini kan post. It's part of it. At least it's a boost. Oh, post mi na dẹ láti jẹ kọ́ lè kété ẹ̀ já síwájú so. I know you be a better person, but I ṣe ń pọ́nra lẹ́yìn jẹ́ kó máa lọ yẹ. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́lẹ̀ dá sí ìjà wa ṣe o, ẹ try. Ẹ̀yin ṣé Iyabo àmì làwọn pè é àbí Iyabo tatas. Iyabo wá pa àwọn eléyìí àwọn ẹrúkú. Àwọn jáde wá mo kàn ó pé kì àti Iyabo no be for real fighter. I know the vex, make I lie. I know the vex for you. If na person I the vex for, I go do normal. But you me I know you be good person. And you are doing what is right, you are standing by what is right. So that one, I don't feel more law why ìbínú come from anywhere can be only work because I know the verse for real. If I the verse for real, you know now, Amy, igbe olegun. Oh, anyway, Iyabo now, anyway, mind that I was see what be you mo. Only boy je náà ni àbí. So let's have a better society. Let's live, you understand? There are so many serious present issues that we can always attend to. We need the energy, we need the love, we need lágbára kò ní gbàlà. Me and Iyabo would dey that cordial respect dey far láàrin ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó tó ṣe bí àti ẹ̀. No be say àwọn àbàtà o see life o just no pre-plan no be àwọn àbàtà. Èmi gan òyìnbó gan tí mo sọ ti pọ̀ ní àkọ́kọ́ òyìnbó kan lẹ́wà dá gbogbo. Máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ payá bí French ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ nísìnyí ní máa ọkì má tẹ̀ máa fọ òyìnbó yẹn gan. Máa kọ́ jùlẹ̀ lẹ́bẹ̀ kí ni Yomi kọ yìí kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Mi bá dẹ̀ kọ́ lè jẹ́ bó ká. Anyway, bọ́lá ti dán ní kálukú nìyẹn. Ẹ má ba egungun ìbẹ̀bẹ̀ o. Ó ṣe mi. So Iyabo shop kiss. Mo yẹ kó mo fọ́ o. Mo kọ̀ so tọ́ you know say you be better person. No be say I fall o. You know say I no move. No shaking. Mo ti mo lọ tí mo ṣe tábìlì nìkan. Iyabo na better person. Mi ò ń parọ́. I hardly lie. I don't support Baba Ijesha. Take that opinion away from your mind. I have an NGO, Break the Silence Foundation. People are alleging that I break silence on other people, and I said no, I need to take my time. So, Emma misconstrue me. inú lè ṣe anybody bí. Anybody is human. So bí àjọbára pọ̀ ayé dẹ̀ ti rí pé okay mi ṣe ká mi ṣe bàjẹ́ gbogbo yẹn mi ti bínú sí anybody. I'm not angry with anybody. I am not upset with anybody, but I am still going to be who I am. I'm going to stand by what is right. I have done a lot for human rights, protecting children, protecting women. So I've gone so far on that. But because when people were doing other things, going to my savings, gather millions, brought newscasters, comedians, actors, DJs, all of them. I brought them together. You know, we had a summit. I convened it on human rights. So I have gone too far in human rights, in things like fight against rape, to be accused of somebody who is now aiding and abetting rapist. It's not it. So Ijade Lorindo way, and me, I know they lie to they deceive myself. When I was angry because me I won Shakara too. If they respect me now, confirm me, go they go. Don't be anybody cause fight with me. I'm going to go fight. You understand? So, hello my girl. Hey, to me. Peace all over the world. Peace. Understand? Let's keep like I said, if you're guys, get onto it, entertain yourself, and get what? Get refreshed. I like to enjoy you. Take a Josh video. I'm gonna so guys, learn to, before you can, we all actually require that will make not just government officials respect and treat everybody with dignity and respect. We all should try and equip ourselves with knowledge on human rights, because that way we will know how to conceal our emotions irrespective of the situation at hand. So, Emma Law, you better be able to do things. Emma Yada, no, I give out 1 billion, data, wow, Emma data, Laura, Wi-Fi. If you abuse anybody, all I will just tell you is, if you have posted anything about me, you have followed lies. You have been used with an attempt to hurt me, but you have no go lie. No be person will get mind to hurt people. I can confirm, because that's all I know about her. She get mind to support quietly. She supports people. She wanted, even if you come out and you scream and you're having pain, she will find a way to say, Yomi, how do I go about this? So there is no way I want to talk. It's not even about her. Anyway, negate what she's doing or her standpoint. So anybody is prone to mistake. She could not reach out to me and say, Yomi, I've seen the video, she attacked me, and then we settled it. Suddenly she came up again, and I don't know what prompted her, but the fact remains that she might have felt that stuff is still there. I should have taken it down. But she felt me nobody to get me off for influence. So guys, go and see the movie Sadat and enjoy yourself. And then Nigerian youth, it's good to always show loyalty to actors, but it's still going to be a bad omen if at the end of the day online is those so those behaviors that we actually portray us, that we don't reason, we don't balance our stories before we attack. It's not really going to work for a society. The society will nobody else worry about our 50, 60. Then what we exhibit now is what we'll give to the next generation. So it's not going to. Abuses, foul languages, all those ones don't get to me. So if you are enjoying it, I respect all the fans. I respect those ones. I know they get to me, especially when the multitude are not on the right path. On this one, total error. As I said, let's shun all these kind of behaviors. Let's stand by. Politically, we're going to respect the fan. The fan must be on the right path. They must understand what they are doing. They must understand that they are not being used the right way. Then that will settle it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you all. I got to go and rest. You can wait here anytime you see me online. But if you want, remember to sleep. Put that castle. So, I forgive all of you. So, sorry.